Free #1 best-selling book on Amazon. Art Appreciation Course with an Afrocentric Viewpoint is a monumental achievement in the world of art education, offering a fresh and long-overdue perspective on the richness and diversity of artistic expression throughout history. This comprehensive course, spanning 60 books and 35 chapters, is nothing short of a masterpiece. #1 in art history criticism. #1 in African art history. And free for you and your family and friends. Today only. April 2nd, 2023. Spanning 60 books and 35 chapters, is nothing short of a masterpiece. Book 1. www.https://amazon.to/3k0r/nwt. The author has meticulously researched and curated the course material, weaving together elements of art history, styles, and techniques through an Afrocentric lens. The result is a breathtaking exploration that showcases the immense talent and creativity of people of color, both as subjects and creators of art. Book 1, the Master Course Book, serves as a captivating introduction, setting the stage for the entire course. It outlines the objectives and framework, preparing readers for an unforgettable journey through the vibrant world of Afrocentric art. The remaining 59 books provide a deep dive into various art styles and techniques, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of the subject. With 96.3% new original content, the course is groundbreaking in its depiction of people of color in scenes and styles never seen. From ancient art BC to the futuristic realm of NFTs and Afrofuturism in 3003 AD, the author seamlessly weaves together various time periods, capturing the essence of artistic expression across the ages. What sets this course apart is its inclusivity and accessibility. Suitable for readers aged 5 to 105, the author breaks down complex art concepts into easy-to-understand language. The books, ranging from 76 to 302 pages, cater to a wide audience, making art appreciation a joy for novices and connoisseurs alike. In conclusion, Art Appreciation Course with an Afrocentric Viewpoint is a must-have for anyone interested in expanding their artistic horizons and understanding the vital role that Afrocentric art plays in our collective history and culture. It's a fascinating, enlightening, and visually stunning journey that will inspire and captivate readers for generations to come. Don't miss out on this exceptional work of art. It's truly a masterpiece in every sense of the word. Please share, like, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on your next free book, art, merchandise, swag or video. God bless you. Your brother, Oran Z.